stream rages in Hall 12.0 here at Formnext as visitors from all across storm to find out what the latest in technology in 3D printing and additive manufacturing is. But what interests us is what the visitors think this year are the technological highlights. Let's find out.
So the jetting technologies, working with metals and ceramic powders, this is something that I also looking for our application for machine parts.
With technical exchange, we spoke to multiple end users, figuring out how additive manufacturing can help them in the application development, understanding the selection of parts, selection of technology that is suitable for application. The metallurgies that we see today are, way more than what it used to be back in the days.
Software developments in metal 3D printing, optimizing build speeds, that sort of thing.
This is on the software side. Slicers, simulation softwares, that's something that I would like to still check.
Peak 3D printing and the actual build volumes.
The metal techniques, the metal technology. We are a service bureau and we're producing spare parts, mainly metallic. So we're looking at the the bed fusion techniques.
What's interesting for us is something called cold fusion. So the polymer-bound metal powder parts that can be run on polymer systems. It's interesting.
3D, free-form object printing. I believe that these technologies enabled by the software will scale down in price and cost and will be available for more industries than today.
Everything. It's prototyping, it's production. There's no industry, there's no need for 3D printing. Everyone can use a 3D printer.